One of the businesses that people don't understand is the sheep business. Actually, sheep meat nowadays is very expensive and it has high demand as same as the one for goat and the one for animals like cows, camel. So the sheep business is something that you should look at. For example, let's do a quick math. Alright? When you buy a mature sheep, it costs around 2700 Kenyan shillings. Alright? When you fatten that sheep in about 4 to 3 months, the cost of the same sheep in the market is 7,000. So the profit margin is over 3,000 per one sheep. For instance, you had 100 sheep, right? Times the profit, 3,500. You make your first million on your first sale of your sheep. Alright? Do the math. 100 times 3,500, 350,000. Alright? These are 100 sheep which you bought for shillings 2,700 each. Now you're selling at 6,500 to 7,000. So imagine we had around 3,000 or 1,000 sheep. So nowadays, when you think about business, you should think about the growing business. Because these sheep only require water and a grazing land. For instance, I have around 30 sheep. I want to maximize the herd to around 500. Yeah. Also, in my ranch, we have some dairy cows for milk. Milk is very costly. 1 liter is 80 Kenyan shillings, or around 90. Right now it's 90. You sell 1 liter at 90. Each cow gives you 10 liters. In the morning, 10 liters in the evening. That's a good math if you have many cows. Agriculture is something that will always be a business, a growing business. Not only growing crops, but keeping animals. So thank you guys for watching this. I'll bring you more business ideas. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.